Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your sleep settings when you're using Windows 10. So if, for example, you leave your laptop or desktop PC to go and make a cup of tea, or you leave it for 5 seconds, you come back and the screen's gone to sleep, or the laptop's gone to sleep, then this is the solution for you. And if you find this helpful, please leave a like on the video, drop a comment below with any questions you have, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials, tips and tricks, and step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So what you need to do first is come across and click the Start button down here. And on the left hand side, this kind of mini menu, which is going to scroll out, you want to go ahead and click on Settings. So once the settings have loaded through, you need to click on the System button up here. And in the menu on the left hand side, few options down, there's one called Power and Sleep. So if you go ahead and give that a click. So there's a few options here. I'm just going to go through them with you. With your laptop or computer, it's basically got two stages of sleep. So there's a sleep stage where the screen would go off first, and then shortly after, the whole computer would go to sleep. You'd hear the fans stop whirring, it would go completely quiet. So first of all, if we look at the screen option, so you've got two options. Because I'm using a laptop, it's going to say on battery power, turn off after, and when plugged in, turn off after. So on battery power, so if I've not got my laptop plugged in, I can click this box and choose how long I want to give it until my laptop shuts down. Because I do use my laptop a lot and I do a lot of work on it, I've actually got all of this set to never. But for yourself, if you wanted to say 5 minutes, so if you was out and about and you didn't have your laptop plugged in, after 5 minutes the screen would go to sleep. You don't have to have the same option for when it's plugged in, you can change that. So now what would happen is if my laptop's plugged in, after 25 minutes the screen would go to sleep. Whereas if I was not plugged in to the charger and I was just using the battery power, the screen would actually go to sleep after 5 minutes. And it's exactly the same for the sleep mode. So if you remember the screen, the difference between the two, the screen is where basically the screen goes black, but the computer's still on. So that would be the first phase. And then the second phase, the actual sleep phase, is when the whole computer goes to sleep. So it goes into a kind of standby mode. So have a play about and fit these to your preferences. You could change that. For example, I could say 45 and I could put 10 here. So in this example then, what would happen is if I didn't have my laptop plugged in and it was using the battery, after 5 minutes the screen would go to sleep. Okay. After 10 minutes, so after 5 minutes the screen would go to sleep, and then after a further 5 minutes, so 10 minutes in total, the whole laptop would go to sleep. And then I've done something similar for when it's plugged in. So when it's plugged in, the screen would go off after 25 minutes, and the actual whole laptop itself, when plugged in, would go to sleep after 45 minutes. So after 25 minutes, the screen's going to go black, and then a further 20 minutes, 45 minutes in total, the whole computer's going to go into standby mode. And that's it. So have a little look and set these to your preferences. It mainly depends on you know, how often you use your laptop or computer. As I said, I do a lot of work from my laptop, so I've always got this set to never, but obviously it's personal preference. It's whatever works for you. There's no right or wrong. So I hope you found that helpful. If you could drop a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.